Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Alibaba. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you can directly start shopping amongst the various items that are on sale. Now, if you wish to delete your account, then in order to do this, hover over to your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Account. This will then take you into the account settings page. Now, since you will not find any particular option within the settings page to delete your account, you will need to contact the support team. So hover over to Help at the top right corner and then click on Open a Case. Now, within the Help Center page, you will see the Contact Us option at the bottom. Click on the Online Service option, and now this will take you into the live chat. You can simply type in your message underneath within the message box and let them know that you wish to delete your account. And then you can simply click on the Send button, which will send your request to the customer service team. Once your message has been received by the support team, you will get a response within a few days, which will contain the instructions that you can follow in order to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.